Hello everyone. The lighting on that side is bad.
Alright guys.
Hey guys.
Until the next one, you know.
You're fucking joking.
Butterfly 18. We need to remember that.
Thank you.
No need to run, guys. We'll still leave without you.
Hey guys, it's Maddie. We are at or going to Animal Kingdom, so I thought I would vlog it so you guys could see what it's like.
Oh, good guys, you brought lunch, you know, McDonald's. You know.
I've never been here before, so it should be fun. Let's go. Let's go.
Some motherfuckers, yes.
Today is the first day after Playlist. It is Monday, and Playlist has absolutely wiped all of the energy out of me, so I'm extremely exhausted. But today, Tyler and I are at Animal Kingdom in Disney World, and it's the first time I've ever been here, or maybe I've been here when I was younger, but I have no recollection of it. So today, I'm gonna be taking you guys around and showing you some of the great animals at Animal Kingdom, and I really don't know what to expect, but according to everything I've looked up, it's like kind of the top tier of like animal zoos and everything, so hopefully it'll be pretty fun. So let's go and see some cool animals. Hey girl.
Yes.
They're in love. Do you think they're in love? Yes. They confirmed.
So we're going to show you with this chunk of wood what happens when you leave a parrot in your home for just a few moments. Oh, look at that. Basically, anything they can grab, they're going to destroy. So we do say, enjoy these beautiful birds, but do it in places like Animal Kingdom. Keep your home parrot free, and trust me, you will thank us later. We have a breeding program for blue-throated macaws. What we're going to do is take those baby blue-throated macaws and send them down to Bolivia. The hopes are that those baby blue-throated macaws will meet up with the wild population and make baby blue-throated macaws of their own to help boost those wild numbers out there.
Holy, no! I don't want to get wet. Okay, so we just got off the Flight of Passage ride, and it was absolutely insane. If you guys come here, you definitely need to go and ride the Avatar ride because it's absolutely crazy and really fun, definitely worth the wait. The wait was supposed to be like 2 hours, but it ended up being only like 1 hour. So now I have a drink that we just got. They have paper straws, which makes me really happy. If anyone has seen me at the expo, like the last expo, I bought like 5 reusable straws because I've been really, we're like getting in each other's way. Oh my, stop following me.
I'm just following Maddie because he's fly.
Because my camera's gonna pick up everything you're saying. Kind of lit that they are using paper straws and not plastic straws. Thank you again, Tyler. And yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do now, but it's gonna be great. So there's like hardly any animals in the Animal Kingdom so far. I'm not sure if we're looking in the wrong places, but here's a rabbit. Not like a captive one, obviously. Hi.
They're so pathetic.
Don't say that to his face.
I just like don't get it. They're so slow.
They're in love. Oh, never mind. Yuck.
apart standing up. So one of the first things a baby giraffe experiences is a 6-foot fall. Out here we have the opportunity
I love
to see
giraffes.
African elephants today. Ever see the herd of elephants? They look like they have
I like that duck.
dirt
I like that duck too. Squad.
every single day.
Greetings. Oh my god.
Oh, it's Mango. Hi, Mango.
He's like, I need all of this.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Okay, first of all, me in any social situation, I love you. I need to protect you. Don't let anyone bully you. They're in love. Do you ever watch Meerkat Manor? Because man, that was my show. They're in love.
I've always been unsure about fellas.
Me too. That one's sitting inside of a bucket. If I don't censor their boobs, will I get demonetized? Me eating things I shouldn't be. They're both in the bucket now.
That's inappropriate.
They're in love. Why are they in the bucket?
Hello.
They're in love. Okay, what?
What the?
Okay, so we did a safari thing and we rode the ride thing.
The safari ride?
No, yeah, we did the safari thing. We did the safari thing basically, and now we're both really exhausted, so we're gonna go out to eat at Rainforest Cafe, I guess, with Loie maybe if she comes and her friends, and then we're gonna go home and sleep. So I'll just eat food, I guess. I don't know. We'll see.
Goals.
See what happens.
Mood. Me too. Same. Oh my god.
Stop hoarding animals. You can't even go to Disney World without hoarding an animal. Leave it alone.
I'm taking it home with me, Loie.
Uncultured swine.
Yep. Hi, Monty. So everyone slow down, I'm trying to vlog. It's an actually
all those chickens.
Oh, I just saw him do a roll. Mood.
Has its very own sparkling volcano.
Someone needs to cut the tree down.
Big, the
This is
whole
awful.
family can share it. Yum, yum.
What the f is that?
So I made this for you.
What?
I got you all of these fish.
Oh, thank you.
I also got you this elephant. Okay, guys, do you think I can adopt that elephant?
Yeah.
Do you think I should?
What size enclosure do you need for it?
A 10-gallon.
You can just ask someone at PetSmart.
Okay, so we just got done at the Rainforest Cafe and it was good, but it was like freezing, so now we're both very cold. So now we're just gonna go back to the hotel and go to bed. What was that?
I'm cold, so I'm trying to like warm myself up. It's probably not working. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Maddie's channel, but also my channel, which will probably be linked down below. All the social medias, Maddie Moo, A is an X. Subscribe, link in bio, buy my merch. Anyways, bye.